Welcome, here I've got REALME 7 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to record this slow motion video at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let's change it because the REALME device gives us the other mode only to record this slow motion. We can do it by using this settings bar and just simply going to the right to more. Here we have access to other modes of this camera. Now let's pick the slow motion here. So here we are, we can start recording the slow motion video by using this big red button here at the center. We can also go to this button, so we can change here the speed of the slow motion. We can pick from 240 fps or 120 fps. This is how to change this. Now let's stay on 240 fps and let me start recording to show you how it works. Now stop, and let's move here to this button in the left corner at the bottom, so we get quick access to the gallery, and this is our slow motion video. And this is how it works. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.